We are excited to get our first look at the new marquee for Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway. But first, let's take a look at the outside of the attraction, where there's still some construction going on in the old outdoor vending area. And you can also see that the step and repeat for photos is missing. The old Great Movie Rides signs are long gone, but the courtyard has gotten a fresh coat of paint. Looks really nice. There's a updated sign on the outside advertising that the attraction will open March 4th. We plan to be there and hope if you see us, come by and say hi. Another look at the exit to the attraction. We believe this will be the exit for the new attraction as well, but that's not 100% confirmed. They are working on some of the doorways there, but it looks like the main entrance will be here at the old center doors with the Fast Pass on the left there and the Standby Return on the right under those bright yellow signs. And here's a look at the marquee during the day. Lots of great detail work in there, but if you remember how this used to look, there was a little statuette behind there, and it is covering part of that old mural. So a little bit of sacrifice, but I think the motion and the the bright neon colors that the new marquee brings to the area is pretty cool.